In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI step by step so you can start asking better questions, getting useful answers, and making the most of its features right away. Whether you want help writing, summarizing, brainstorming, or analyzing files, Claude AI is designed to make the process simple and fast. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Claude AI in your browser. You can go to the official Claude website and get started from there. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account or create a new one if you're using Claude for the first time. The sign-up process is quick, and once you're logged in, you'll land on the main chat screen. This is where all the action happens. In the center of the screen, you'll see the message box. This is where you type your question, prompt, or request. Claude works best when you're clear and specific, so instead of giving a vague request, try to explain exactly what you want. For example, if you need help writing something professional, you could type "write a professional email asking for a refund." That gives Claude a much better idea of what kind of response you want. Once your prompt is ready, press enter on your keyboard or click the send button to submit it. Claude will think through your request and generate a response for you in just a few moments. If the answer isn't exactly what you wanted, you can refine your prompt and ask again. One of the biggest strengths of Claude AI is that it can handle a wide range of tasks. You can use it for writing emails, creating summaries, generating ideas, explaining concepts, and much more. The more context you provide, the better the results usually are. So if you want a stronger answer, include details like tone, audience, format, or goal. For example, you might ask it to rewrite something in a friendly tone, summarize it in bullet points, or make it shorter and easier to read. Another great feature is file upload. If you want Claude to analyze a document, spreadsheet, PDF, or image, look for the plus icon next to the message box. Click that icon to upload your file, then tell Claude what you want it to do with it. For example, you could ask it to summarize a PDF, extract key points from a document, review a spreadsheet, or describe what's inside an image. This makes Claude especially useful for working with real files instead of just text prompts. As you use Claude more, you'll start to see how helpful it can be for everyday tasks and productivity. A good habit is to be direct, clear, and specific in every prompt. That way, Claude can give you faster and more accurate results. And if the first answer isn't perfect, just follow up with a better prompt or ask it to revise the response. That's one of the easiest ways to get more value out of the tool. So now you know how to open Claude AI, sign in, ask a question, send your prompt, and upload files for analysis. It's a very simple workflow, but once you understand the basics, you can use it for a huge range of tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.